Hey there, traders. This is Currency Watch. Let's take a look at what we have going on. The Euro USD. This is our stacker setup. Actually, it's not stacker setup. We had the spike higher on last Thursday, and then push. We held the trade. Actually, that was last Monday, or actually last Friday. Held the trade. Then we had the spike higher, and I was looking for a reversal here at the 139 level. It is teetering. I must stop at 139.20. So we'll see what happens there. You can see the high here was 139.14. The high today is 139.12. So there's only a few pips left to work there, but I've seen things turn around, so we'll see. And tighter situations than this, but we'll see how this trade pans out for us in the short term. But what we're still going to watch, if this pair does push higher and we get a firm close above this level, then the trend will be the move will be to look for a move up higher and using this ascending trend line as support rather than resistance. Which is that right now. Let's take a look at the setup that we had in the Great Britain Oz. This is pretty easy. You can see that this pair had gone higher. We had a nice reversal here, and we broke this pretty narrow range, and we're back below that 187.20 level. The pair shot below. I could have gone short right there, but I didn't want to risk 70 pips because that would have been the standing bet there, just because of the way this has been choppy as of late. So I have an order to go short here at the 50 fib at 138.35. We'll see if we trigger. If we do trigger, let's look for a pushback down. Max trades, you're always looking for 500 pips in these trades, but that only happens once every so months. So we'll see what we get here. So the order's in to go short at 185.35. And the stop's right here, 5 pips above the high, which is at 185.70. So you're risking 40 pips. While I'm risking 40 pips, looking for a larger, broader move. Swiss francs, same as with the Euro USD. We're going to see where our close is on this. If we get a substantial close below this 88 level, then we'll look for a 50 fib pullback, and the stacker trade will be entered. That'll be I'll look into that around the close because that's when stacker trades are sorted out. Great Britain is still in this zone. Looked like we were going to get a break, but didn't. 165.80 is the key level to watch there. We get a break below that, then we could be off to the races. Great Britain JPY, not that interesting at the moment. You can see we had this move. There was just no way to enter this. Like I was trying to explain today to a few traders, is that you get the push down, and then when you have a wick down, the move is that you have to wait for a break of that range. So you can see we had another wick down. It was still inside the range. A wick down, and then that was only like 20 pips lower. Wick down, then we had a break below that wick. You get the point. So right now, I would like to see a reversal, and if we get a break up here, then it could be a good chance to stack in, looking for a push up to the top side. Let's just take a look at a few of the other plays, other pairs that we have here in action. And let's see, the yen once again looks like it's getting banged back down out of this resistance zone. It really looked like we were going to get a break this time. We'll have to see. 103, 103.50 is the key level to watch there. So we'll see what happens below this. Though it does favor another jog back down to the bottom of the range, which is becoming extremely well established. New Zealand still sitting in this resistance zone between 84.30 and 85.40. We'll have to see. A break or hold of that is going to be key. But it is interesting that New Zealand has been able to hold its own while the Aussie has pushed lower, and I guess that was with I mean, everybody's heard about the metals that have been decreasing in value, and of course, Australia is a commodity-driven economy, so a big portion of their economy. So that, of course, has had its drawback down on the Aussie USD. So was looking for a break of that 89.70 level. Did get it, but it was just a pop, and looks like we're going to end up trying to close above that level. So just keep that in mind. So just back to the stacker trades, or the stacker and the fire trades in the Great Britain odd. Just watching this level. Of course, I changed it and didn't save it. We're looking for a 50 fib pullback up here to, I think it's 85.35. And in the Great Britain JPY, nothing really brewing right at the moment. And the Euro's trade is still active, hanging on by a shoestring. Hopefully, we get a close back below this ascending trend line around the 138.90 level on the daily. All right, that's it for now, everybody. Good luck trading, and I'll talk to you soon.